Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, yes, in this video, I'll be telling you a trick which you can identify our market trend within a minute in the market starts. Okay, so this trick what I'm teaching you today will be very helpful for you for the intraday trading and also to identify the daily trend of a stock market. Okay, so to learn this trick, make sure you watch the video till the end. Okay, so this is based on indexogram. Okay, and also the top weighted stock in our Nifty 50. So I'll be telling you all these things in the detail and in depth of this video. So make sure you watch the video till the end to learn this trick and to get to know more about which stock weights the more in Nifty 50 and what is the percentage of it and which indices weights the more in our Nifty 50. So I'll be telling you all the details in this video. Okay, and before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also if you're new to a stock market trading and want to learn how to make money consistently in stock market trading and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, there is an offer from Upstock where you can earn interest when you open your trading account. So you can open your free trading account by clicking on the link in the description below of this video. So there's a little bit of advantages what you get here. That is, you get zero balance saving account which is powered by Indus India Bank, and you get brokerage credit up to 500 rupees, and you can earn up to 6% interest on your trading account balance. So whatever balance you maintain, you get up to 6% on that. And there's a smart transfer features to skip transfers between your saving and trading account. Okay, and also once you open your Upstock account by using my link in the description below of this video, you'll be added to my Telegram channel where I news on stock market and also some interesting fact about stock market where I'll be sharing with you guys. So guys, now you know in Nifty 50 we have the 50 stocks, top 50 stocks. Okay, so if you come to the market and go into the equity and SME market, so you get top 50 stocks. Okay, so this all 50 stocks together make a Nifty 50. Okay, in this Nifty 50 stocks there are top 10 stocks which weights the most. Okay, so let me tell you which are those top 10 stocks which weights the most for our Nifty 50 trend, that is our market trend. Okay, so if this 10 stocks are in going towards the upper side, then the market will also go up, or if this 10 stocks are going towards downside, then the market will also go down. Okay, so let me just quickly show you what are the 10 stocks are with the weightage. Okay, so guys, these are the top 10 stocks which weights the most in Nifty 50. That is, HDFC Banks weights 10.24%, Reliance Industries weights 10.19%, Infosys weights 7.98%, and Housing Development Finance Corporation, that is HDFC. Okay, there are two stocks, that is FDFC Bank is different and only HDFC is different. Okay, that is 7.08% weightage, and ICICI Bank has 6.34% weightage. Tata Consultancy Service, that is TCS stock, has 5.18% weightage. Kotak Mahindra Bank has 4.05% weightage, and Hindustan Unilever weights up to 3.42%. ITC Limited weights up to 3.01%, and Axis Bank weights up to 2.76%. So these are the top 10 stocks which you need to see to know the market trend. Okay, so in this, let's take top 3 or the top 4. Okay, that is HDFC Bank, Reliance Industries, Infosys, and HDFC, that is Housing Development Financial Corporation. So if these 4 stocks are having a strong upward, the market will also go towards the upper side, and if these 4 stocks are having downwards, the market will also come towards the downside. So now let me show you in the today's example itself. Okay, so I have loaded this 10 stock in my watch list. So today, if you guys can see, today the market closed at 0.25% up. Okay, so not much of a movement, it was almost range bound, I can tell you. So this is today's chart. So from morning 9:15 to almost 11:15 or 11:30, the market was in an upper trend, and again it came down, and again it didn't go much higher. Okay, what it touched in 11:15, it touched the same high around 2:15, and then the market came down and closed at 0.25% up. Now the top 3 or 4 stocks which weights the more in Nifty 50, so let's check that out. Okay, HDFC weights almost 10%. You can see even in HDFC Bank opened at 9:15 around 1442 and went all the way up till 1444. Okay, till 11:50 or 11:30 it made high. The same thing what happened in the Nifty, it came down again, it went up and closed down. Okay, 0.10% down, it closed down today. And Reliance, you can see Reliance was also almost a range bound. And Infi also, it was up and came down, same how the market went today. So even the HDFC, same thing, till 11:15 or 10 o'clock, 10:45 somewhere it was in upper trend, and when the market reversed, even this also reversed. Okay, because this first stock will always say the market trend. Okay, so if these 4 stocks are, if these 10 stocks are moving in a strong trend, then the market will go up. Okay, so these are the 10 stocks which weights the most in our Nifty 50. Okay, so you can see if I open HDFC Bank, and if you see on the previous day it was moving very bullish. Okay, that is on 15th it made a very bullish move, and now let's see in the Nifty 50 what has happened. Even in the Nifty on 15th April it happened the same. Okay, it made a very bullish move, as same how the HDFC Bank has performed. So this 10 stock weighs the more, so you need to concentrate. Okay, I'm not telling you to trade on these stocks or anything, it is just a trend observing trick. Okay, so if these 10 stocks are performing stronger, that means the market will go higher. If these 10 stocks are performing to the downside, the market will also go to the downside. But in these 10 stocks, the top 3 or the top 4 stock will be the most important one. So depending on this top 3 or top 4, you can get to know your trend. Okay, so not only the stocks, not only these 10 stocks, if you know, there is something called as indexes in our market. So if you go to market data and indices, we have lot of indices, and in this inside this indices we have some stocks. So we are having Nifty 50, Next 50 and Nifty 100 and all these things. So we'll focus on sectoral indexes. Okay, that is Nifty Bank, Nifty Auto, Nifty Financial Services, okay, and FMGC, Nifty IT, Nifty Media, Nifty Metal, Pharma, PSU Bank, Private Bank, and Nifty Realty. So these are our indices which we have. Even in these indices we have some weightage. Okay, some particular indices has a more weightage and some particular indices has a less weightage. So let's see according to that. Okay, even this will tell you the trend. Even this I'll be explaining you now with the today's market trend and the example, so that you will understand clearly. So let me show you what indices has what kind of strength. So financial services has 38% weightage. Nifty IT as 16.77% weightage, oil and gas as 11.78% weightage, consumer goods as 11.49% weightage, that is Nifty automobile has 5.40% weightage, Nifty Pharma has 3.26% weightage, metals has 2.86% weightage, cement and cement products has 2.72% weightage, constructions as 2.70% weightage, telecom as 1.97% weightage, power as 1.67% weightage, and services as 0.81% weightage, and fertilizers and pesticides as 0.56% weightage. So if you guys can see here, the least are services and the fertilizers and the pesticides, and the highest weightage indices are financial services and IT. Okay, so these two indices and these two indices consisting stocks you need to observe most to get to know your trend in a very quicker way. Now let me show you an example for that what has happened today in the market. So let me come to my Zerodha. Okay, so I have loaded all the indices here. So these are the indices. So if you want to add all these indices in your watch list, just go and type index here, so you'll get all the things which you can add it. Okay, so after adding it here, you can see, so today the market closes 0.25% up. You can see a lot of other indices like Nifty Media went 1.87% up, but still the market moved only less. Why? Because the weightage is less. Nifty Energy, Nifty Auto also moved 1.21% up, but still the market moved less. Why? Because the weightage here is less. You can see here automobile has only 5.40% weightage. The most weightage indices is financial services and IT. So let's see how that has performed. Nifty financial services, so here it is. So Nifty financial services is only 0.16%, that is minus 0.6% performance today. Okay, so you can see the market is only 0.25% movement, and Nifty financial services closes minus 0.16%. You can see how relatable they are. Okay, and coming to Nifty IT, so Nifty IT went 1.21% up. Okay, even that was a range bound movement. Okay, so this is why the Nifty 50 performed even in the range bound movement today. Even you can see a lot of other indices almost touching 2% up, 1.87% up. Still Nifty 50 doesn't go up much because the main thing is financial services is not going up. Okay, so if the Nifty financial service index is going up, even the market will also go up. So now if you go here, you can see what are the stocks inside it. So if you go to Nifty financial services, these are the stocks. Okay, so these are the stocks inside this. Okay, if all the stocks are performing well, even the indices will also perform well and go up. Okay, so you can just keep a track of this indices, that is two indices, Nifty IT and Nifty financial services. So if these two indices are performing well, then market will go up. After you see these two indices, then come to see this top 10 stocks which I said you, which has a most weightage in Nifty 50. Even if this top 10 stocks are also moving in a good way, in a upper way, that means the market is going up today. Now let's say these 10 stocks are performing range bound. Out of these 10 stocks, you can see that top 3 are the top 4. If you're getting more confusions here, just see the top 3 or top 4 stock. If this top 3 or top 4 stocks are going in a higher trend, and if you see that the both indices being in higher trend, that is Nifty financial and Nifty IT. Okay, so if these both indices and these four stocks are going in an upper trend, that means the market is in an upper trend. If these four stocks are in a downtrend, and if these two indices are in also in the downtrend, that means the market will be downtrend for the day. Okay, that is how you can identify quickly the market trend. Okay, you guys can observe this from your next upcoming trades and let me know how you feel about this trick what I said you. Okay, so these are the little trick and tips what you can observe and make your trading a better way by knowing the trend and all the things. Okay, because in intraday trading, as you know, trend is very very important. And if you trade according to the trend side, then you will be able to make a good profit. Okay, so okay, this was about the trick in this video which I wanted to share with you, like how to identify your market trend within a minute. Okay, so if you guys like this video, do give a like for this video and also share this video. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel to support the channel. And also I'll be uploading a lot of educational video like this and you can get benefit out of it. Okay, and also if you're new to a stock market trading and want to learn how to make money consistent in stock market trading and want to learn more techniques and want to learn my private strategies which are up to 90 to 95% accurate strategies, you can join my course today and I'll be guiding you everything in more detail. Okay, you can message me on the number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel. And also I upload like every day how much profit I made and on what stock I traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.